In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate contacts in HubSpot. A quick process that only takes a few minutes but can make a huge difference in keeping your CRM organized and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot.com. This is your main access point to all of HubSpot's tools and resources. Once you're there, click the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your account credentials, your email and password, and sign in. After logging in, you'll arrive at your HubSpot home dashboard, the central hub where you can manage contacts, leads, deals, and more. From here, we'll navigate to the section that contains all of your customer information. On the main menu, click on CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This section is the backbone of HubSpot. It's where all your customer data, interactions, and relationships are stored and managed. Once you're in, go ahead and select contacts from the available options. The contacts page lists every individual in your database along with their details and activity history. Over time, it's common for duplicate entries to appear. Maybe the same person filled out multiple forms or different team members entered similar data. That's where HubSpot's Manage Duplicates feature comes in handy. At the top of the contacts list, look for the Actions menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Manage Duplicates. This tool is designed to automatically scan your database and find contacts that appear to be duplicates based on similar names, email addresses, or other identifying details. Once you select this option, HubSpot will generate a list of potential duplicates. It uses intelligent matching to highlight entries that might represent the same person or organization. From here, review the list carefully. You'll have the option to merge duplicate contacts, combining their data into a single record, or to delete unnecessary duplicates entirely. When merging, HubSpot will usually keep the most complete or recently updated information from both records, helping you maintain data accuracy. Take your time to double-check each suggestion before confirming. It's always best to verify whether two similar contacts truly belong to the same person, especially if they have interacted differently with your business. Once you're done merging or removing duplicates, your contacts list will be much cleaner and more manageable. Keeping your database organized not only saves time, but also ensures your sales and marketing activities remain accurate and effective. And that's it. You've successfully removed duplicate contacts in HubSpot. By taking a few minutes to tidy up your CRM, you're making your system more efficient and reliable for everyone on your team. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more practical HubSpot tips and tutorials to help you manage your business smarter and faster.